Welcome back, guys. So today we are finally gonna go ahead and start into 10.7. Today's lesson is we're gonna be going over the circles in the coordinate plane, and our goal here is to write and graph equations of circles. And two, we're going to solve real life applications using graphs of circles. So again, hopefully you watched the video with me going over the GeoGebra website. And so basically this is a reason that I wanted you guys to go ahead and take a look at it. We are going to go ahead and start basically just learning how to graph equations of circles only using the center and the radius at this point. So we're not going to do anything too complicated just yet. That's more for algebra 2, but it is a good idea to go ahead and make sure you know exactly how it is that we're graphing them. Okay, so today we're going to go ahead, and the very first thing that we're going to be doing is writing standards equations of a circle. So here we have the following statement. We're going to let x, so this is a coordinate, we're going to let x, y represent any point on a circle with the center HK and the radius R. So this here is going to be the most important part of this lesson because it is going to tell you how to write a standard equation of a circle. So this is a general standard form. It is, we always write it with x parentheses x minus h is just a variable here. You're going to be substituting it with the actual center numbers, quantity squared, plus we're going to open parentheses y minus k quantity squared equals radius squared. So here I have this just a general circle again, but I'm labeling everything that was just covered here. So here we have R is the radius, of course, of the circle, and here we have this right triangle, right? So this right triangle, we have the center here, the center point, which we said was going to be our HK coordinate, and then what's the dotted part over here, the leg of the triangle on this case, it's x minus h, because again, remember, this is on the x-axis, it's the horizontal part. Then here, the y part is the vertical, it's on the vertical axis, and we label it as y minus k, and this is the distance of this. So again, x minus h is the distance here, y minus k is the distance of this leg, and when we create an equation using this, we would go ahead and write it as that. So it's not a proof per se, but I did want you to be able to visualize how it is that we got these general terms. Okay, so that was again basically the very first part of this lesson, and I just wanted to make sure we could go over all of these components of the standard equation of a circle before we get into the examples, which we will be doing in the next part.